So, you want to make 100K fast, and you want it right now. Let's talk about the fastest way you can make $100,000 in 2023. Now, I'm not talking about investing in crypto, even though I love crypto and it's very volatile. And when you invest in the right coin, it could make you 100K fast. I mean, you could also get into the real estate space, maybe trying to do a couple flips until you reach 100,000. I mean, these are great ways to earn 100K fast, semi-fast in 2023, but that's not what I'm talking about. There's something out there that's even better, and that is AI. Artificial intelligence. Specifically, let's talk about ChatGPT. Now pay attention closely. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI. It has been trained on a set of billions of words, and when given a prompt, it can write you a text that sounds exactly like a human being. ChatGPT can be used for many natural language processing tasks, like translating languages, summarizing text, and answering questions. It can also be used to create stories, write scripts, poems, and even writing songs. This is beyond me, okay? This is crazy. Now, ChatGPT is in the very early stages and still developing, but I implore you to explore. Links are gonna be in the description, but let me show you. So this is the homepage, right? I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to write me a presentation on Kobe Bryant. Write me a presentation on Kobe Bryant. This is crazy. In seconds, it's writing me a whole presentation on Kobe. Within seconds, here it goes. It says Kobe Bryant was a professional basketball player who played for the Los Angeles Lakers in the NBA. He was born in August 23, 1978 in Philly. Bryant started playing basketball at a young age and attended Lower Merion High School. This is crazy. In seconds, it wrote this for me. You know, I don't want to do a presentation. I want to write a song. Write me a song about love, finance, and basketball. Enter. It already got the verse, the chorus, verse 2, even the bridge. That just happened in seconds. Let's see if the song's even any good. I was balling on the court trying to make a name, but my game wasn't complete because I didn't have you in my frame. What? Money couldn't buy me love. I learned that the hard way. But with you on my side, everything's brighter every day. And here's the hook. Love, finance, basketball, you complete me, you got it all. Love, finance, basketball, you're my everything. You're the best of all. I used to chase the cash, tried to climb up the corporate ladder. But now I see what's truly important, and it ain't just the green matters. You give me a purpose, you give me drive. Together we'll conquer the world, we'll make it thrive. I am dumbfounded right now. Do you see how crazy that is? Within seconds, it gave me a song about finance, love, and basketball. And the song isn't even bad. This is beyond insane. Now, maybe you're getting all these ideas in your head of how you could use this as a tool to make 100,000 fast in 2023. Let me give you a few ways on the list of how you can make 100 grand. Quick. By using ChatGPT, you can write scripts for creators, for businesses, whatever the case may be. And instead of hours or days of work, you can get it done in minutes. You could probably have 20, 30, 40 clients a day. Now you do the math. Let's say you have 40 clients a day, right? And you are a professional writer now. And let's be super conservative. Let's say you charge each client about $200 because you're competitive. I mean, you can even charge them more, but we're just being conservative. Charge them $200, that's $8,000 in a day. Times that by 31, that'll be 248 grand in a month. You surpass 100K. You can even do product description, website content, professional business emails. You can even write articles, blog posts, etc. The list goes on. Now I could get into this a little more and list 10 more ways you can use ChatGPT and make a lot of money, but I'll say that for another video. And if you want me to do that, let me know in the comments below. But these are some of the great ways you can make 100K fast this year by using AI, by using ChatGPT. I'm getting lit talking about this right now. Now remember, you want to think outside the box. You're probably flowing with ideas now like, whoa, this is crazy. Remember, link is in the description below. Check it out, ask it questions, tell it to write you a song. The opportunities are endless. AI is gonna take over a lot of jobs. All the customer service jobs that you know, people you talk on the phone on Amazon, that's gonna be replaced with AI. You're gonna think it's an actual real human on the phone when it's not. It's gonna be AI, and they're gonna know exactly how to respond to you. They're gonna know how to handle every customer's problem with the right solution. Let alone ChatGPT, AI as a whole, artificial intelligence, all these companies that are building is the future. It's happening right now, guys. So I implore you to really research, to really get familiar with ChatGPT, with AI, artificial intelligence, and learn and educate yourself and be ahead of the curve. After this video, click that link below. Use ChatGPT. Tell it to write you a song. Tell it to write you a script. Ask ChatGPT on how you can make $100,000 fast in 2023. Figure out how you can incorporate ChatGPT with your business, building your own business, or creating a business. And I truly feel this is the fastest way of making $100K in 2023. Now we know you can make $100,000 fast if you get lucky with crypto, stocks. Maybe if you angel invest in the right company. Also e-commerce, you find the right product, you market it, you scale. But this artificial intelligence is truly something brilliant. I wanted to bring this to everyone's attention because this is, like I said, the future. Now you don't have to do it this way, because the first time I made $100,000 was in the car game. I sold cars, I was a car broker. You can do it that way, the traditional old school way. The second time I made 100 grand, besides selling cars, was YouTube, as a lot of you guys and girls already know. Started with the niche, motorcycles, worked my way up, motorcycles to fitness, to cars, to vlogs. And that was like my niche. That was my thing. That was the SnewJ brand. I created my own brand. I'm just a personality in front of the camera. At the end of the day, I try to make everything as entertaining as possible. And with consistency and value, bringing value to your audience and meeting your audience needs, when you're very niche specific, you post valuable content, you tell a story, and you're consistent, you're bound to grow. And that is really the recipe for success on a platform like YouTube or even TikTok. Right into the second year mark, that's when I started slowly getting brand deals. And that's when I started surpassing $100,000 via Google AdSense revenue. So with the combination of Google AdSense and brand deals, sponsorships, I'm now making well over $100,000 per year. There's so many different challenges with different people and different creators. This channel made close to 100 grand in a matter of 5 months. It really depends on who you are, content you're bringing out, and if you're hitting the right side of the algorithm. Now my SnewJ channel has over 1.6 million followers, and all of last year, 2022, every video had a brand deal. And each brand was paying $1,200, $2,000, $3,000, and all that racks up. If you wanna do it the creator way, the way that I did it, be my guest. But I truly, truly believe with me explaining AI, ChatGPT for the majority of this video, this is something you need to explore. This is the fastest way of making $100,000 in 2023.
You tell me I'm something you need, but baby, you know that I'm bad for you, yeah. Why you gotta be so naive? If I treat you like one I don't want, then you know I'm just so hard to please. I lie to your face to get what I want, babe. So